Hello everybody! Are you searching for the ultimate? How'd they do that? Garden walkway secret? Well, here it is. I'll show you. Well, here it is. People all over the country are now using this technique to create beautiful garden paths, walkways, and patios. And you can too. What they're using is a flexible, reusable concrete shaping form. You can shape this form into any size or shape you want. You can add multiple forms to create really big stepping stones, the way you want. Let me show you. Take a look at frame number 1. Here they're shaping the form to create the size and shape stepping stone they want to make. In frame number 2, they're using these anchor pins to hold the form shape. So when they add the concrete, the form will hold its shape. In frame number 3, they mixed a bag of concrete and water in a mixing tub. And now they're adding the concrete to the form. This form will hold 2 60-pound bags of concrete. If you want a bigger stone, just add more forms. I like using Saccrete high-strength concrete mix for my stones. In frame number 4, you can see how, in midstream, they decided to make a change to the stone shape. So they just opened up the form and made the changes, and used the anchor pins to hold the form's new shape. You can see in this frame how he's tapping the surface of the concrete, which brings the cream to the surface and settles the large aggregates, making for a smooth surface. If you don't do this, you're going to have a rough stone. Tapping the surface brings the water up, which is ideal for adding your color. Here he is adding Saccrete cement coloring. See how he sprinkles it on top of the wet concrete. Now he's blending it into the top half-inch layer. By doing this, he's saving a lot of money by not coloring the whole stone. There's no need to color the whole stone unless you plan on breaking it in half. This is the time when I like to sprinkle in a few multiple colors like real stones have. Alright, he's at that point where he's ready to remove the form. See how he pulls the anchor pins first? Then watch him give a little jiggle and a shake, and the form just comes free. You can see how easy that was. Now he's touching up spots he wants to fix. He has plenty of time before the concrete is unworkable. Now's the time to do it, because you can't do it once the concrete sets. He's adding additional color to the areas that need it. Watch how he keeps tapping the surface, which helps bring moisture up, mixing in the color. This is the time to add texture to your stone. You can use a crinkled up paper bag, a brush, or whatever. This is the time you want to work the stone to the way you want it. Looks like he's pretty much finished with this stone. You can see how fast and easy that was. Now he's ready to quickly rinse off the form for the next stone. This is a weekend project you can do. You take your time because there is no hurry. And before you know it, the project's finished, ready to be enjoyed. Just try it. Thank you for watching. Please, from what I hear, a simple like helps this video reach other viewers. I would greatly appreciate your help. Thank you again, and God bless.